I tried dropshipping for 5 days and these are the results. You guys are definitely going to want to save this video for later. So day one, I found a product, built my site, and launched one $50 ad campaign. On day two, I woke up at 9 a.m. and realized that that campaign ended up generating $191 in sales. So I made 3 more $50 campaigns and set them to go live at 12 in the afternoon. I stayed up until midnight to witness the results, and boom, we hit $750 in sales off just $200 in ad spend. Day three, when I woke up, I ran to my computer just to do the same thing all over again. I launched 3 new CBO campaigns to go live at 12 in the afternoon. So at this point, we had $350 a day in ad spend live and ready to go. And what do you know? On this day, we ended up hitting our first $1,000 day. Day 4, it was Saturday, which meant grind time. I did the usual duplicating and scheduling 3 campaigns, but this is when I started going crazy. Instead of just publishing new ads and letting them sit, I started to implement a scaling strategy that these gurus call surf scaling. I sat at my computer all day and checked my ads every 2 hours. When one of my campaigns got 2 or more sales within a 2-hour time period, I just doubled the budget. And when one of my campaigns didn't get 2 sales in a 2-hour time period, I just decreased the budget by 2x. By 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, we ended up spending $769 in ad spend for $2,000 in sales, which honestly wasn't too great after accounting for product costs, but overall it's just because this product has low margins. By day 5, it was just rinse and repeat. I did the whole duplicating and surf scaling every 2 hours as usual, and we ended up hitting $2,700 in sales with just $1,190 in ad spend, which honestly yielded better margins that day, but it still wasn't ideal. And honestly, if you made it this far in the video, I've actually been in e-commerce for the last 5 years or so. I didn't just get into dropshipping 5 days ago. But either way, follow for more dropshipping tips and tricks so you can scale your store as fast as I just scaled this store.